Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Like I said, if you didn't see my other video, I have the battle wounds from a startled cat at 4 in the morning. So I have makeup on everything but right here. This is alcohol and antibiotics. New sporin on that part of my face. So this is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I am really fascinated. I've watched everybody else's, so I pretty much know because it's pretty consistent on what, except I think, you know, sometimes the lip glosses are different. So we're going to see what's going on in this. So of course, the theme is Stellar. And there's a lot of deals. There's deals for Nikita Dragon's Beauty. There's deals for Natasha Denona and stuff. So, this is the $25 box. There is a waiting list for the $35 next up list, Boxycharm. So, of course, we'll start with the sample, which I am excited about using this. This is the Pretty Vulgar. This is their new concealer. And the reason I am is because on my wish list, and Nona's going to laugh about this, on my wish list, if you know me, I have lots of foundation, but I want the AF Lava foundation by Pretty Vulgar, and it is on my wish list. But I have to finish, personally, I need to finish up 2 of my foundations, full-size foundations, before I can validate buying that. So hopefully, you know, and when I did finish up some the last time, they were sold out, so I wasn't able to get it. So, light is called Little White Lies. Light to medium is Tiptoe Over the Line. Medium is Middle Ground. And Rich is the Medium Mystique. So I like this because I can also use these for contouring and stuff. So they do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades. And so there is Little White Lies is fair. Veil of Secrecy is light. Tiptoe Over the Line, light to medium. The Middle Ground, of course, is medium. On the Rocks is tan. Shady Lady is deep. Midnight Mystique is rich, and Shade for Days is the deep rich. So, like I said, this is definitely in my to-do list to try out. The next one is the Lily Lashes, and this is the CEO. So, I guess these are the lashes that she likes the best. I think they were made specifically for Boxycharm, since it does say Boxycharm on them. So, we'll see how that is. The next one is the Dose of Colors, and this is, I think everybody else was saying that they got Charmed. I actually got Flirty, which looks like a lavender pink to me. So we'll pull this one out. So, I mean, it looks a lot like the same as the Charmed. So let's see. Oh, I like this. This is a really good pinky nude. No lavender in it. It just looks like it from the label on the box. So definitely interested in that one. And then there's the Kypress, which I know some people were talking about. This is and this was made exclusively for Boxycharm. It's the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I don't know if you call it Cypress or Kypress. That's because Cypress is with a C, K, you know, K can go either way. The K sound or the C sound. So, it's a pretty bottle. I mean, yeah, it's really nice. Of course, the box is pretty too. But definitely interested in that one. I know a lot of people have been talking about it. It's not a brand I know, but we'll give it a try. Then, of course, we got the brushes. Now, this was yes and no for certain people. I like these, the Boxycharm brushes. Okay, so I like these kind of brushes. My foundation brushes, all that, is like that. I have a, what's called like a flat kabuki brush that I use for my, like this. So, to me, these are fantastic. I am excited about playing with these, with powders and creams. So, and they feel so nice. I have a feeling my animals are going to want to try to swipe them. So, I am. So, this is, they didn't give them names or numbers. Well, that's a bummer. So this is a large multi-purpose powder brush. was perfect for, and like I said, I will probably use this for foundation, I'll be honest. Yeah. And then, well, this one says this is for foundation, but I might use this one more for contouring. I'll use this one for foundation. Or powder. Anyway, you never know. Let me play with it first, then we'll talk about it. So, I am excited about those, so I'll sanitize those. And then the last one, because I got the regular one, is the Celestial Thunder, which I'm excited because I have, for Dominique Cosmetics, I have some of her stuff on, like, my wish list. So, and look at these pans, guys. I mean, these pans are huge. And just, it's something you can work with, definitely. Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter. Of course, you always have to have a black shadow in there. Zero Gravity, Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. So, like I said, let me just show you that again. So, I am excited about this one also. But like I said, the pans are huge, so it'll get a lot of use, definitely. So I am excited that Dominique Cosmetics partnered with Boxycharm. So Lucid Dream, they said, is the pressed pigment. Really? So all the other ones is like eyeshadows. Lucid Dream is considered a pressed pigment, not an eyeshadow. Which Lucid Dream, of all of them, that just blows me mind. Lucid Dream is this pink one. So, anyway, thank you Boxycharm with working with all these artists and stuff and putting together this box and growing. I mean, you're expanding, you know, what you've done so much. In subscription boxes, I would say Boxycharm financially has led the way with what they've done and grown. So I do like that. It is fascinating how much they have accomplished. So definitely a lot of ums, but if you read the financials, especially in drugstore and the makeup industry, he came up with a great concept, and he has really accomplished a lot, I think, with it. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Like I said, I'm trying to wrap up some of my filming. I am out of town, and then for like literally I fly out for a day. I fly out for a day and then I'm home and I'm back and back to work. This is a freelance job that I'm doing. So like I said, talk to you soon. Bye.